morning students, welcome to online class. Today we are going to learn physical chemistry, that is first lesson, unit number 6, solid state. Today topic is packing efficiency. In this video I am going to explain packing efficiency in simple cubic, that is SC. The second one is body centered cubic, BCC, and the third one is face centered cubic, that is FCC. Okay, before start the packing efficiency in simple cubic, what is packing efficiency definition? So see here, what is packing efficiency? The percentage of a total volume occupied by these constituent spheres, okay, gives the packing efficiency of an arrangement. Yes, see here, there is some free space. Where it is free space is occur, it is between the spheres of a single layer, between the spheres of a single layer and the spheres of the successive layers. Now clear? So the first one is packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement. See the diagram? Yes, this is simple cubic unit cell. In this unit cell, the edge length, okay, so edge length, how it is represented? See the diagram, it is indicated by A, okay. So see here, and also it is represented by R, that is a radius. How to say what is the radius? A straight line from the center of the circumference of a circle or sphere, isn't it? So A is equal to, shall I write 2R? Now see the diagram is clear now. How to get A? A is equal to 2R. Okay. So see here. What is the formula to calculate the packing fraction or efficiency? What is the formula? Say along with me. Total volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. What is that formula? Packing fraction or packing efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Okay, now clear? So see here, so let us consider a cube, okay, that is cubic unit cell. How it is represented as edge length, that is A, isn't it? So in that cubic, what is that condition? A, it is equal to B equal to C, isn't it? So volume of the cube with edge length A is, instead of B and C also shall I replaced by A. Okay. So how to calculate it? Edge length A is A into A, that is A cube. Okay. So see here, R is equal to what? Radius of the sphere. Yes, what is the value of A? A is equal to 2R. From the 2R, shall I calculate R? Yes, R is equal to A by 2. So now the value of R is ready. Shall I substitute in the volume of the sphere? So see here, what is your second steps? Volume of the sphere with the radius R means, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi R cube. So instead of R, shall I substitute A by 2 whole cube, isn't it? So how can write 4 by 3 pi A into A, so it becomes A cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is it becomes 8, isn't it? So how to write? 4 by 3 pi A cube divided by 8, isn't it? So shall I cancel it? Yes, it becomes 2. So now pi A cube divided by 3 into 2, it becomes 6. So volume of the spheres with the radius is clear now. The next step is, see here. So in a simple cubic arrangement, the number of spheres belongs to a unit cell is equal to 1. Already we know that, isn't it? So total volume occupied by the sphere in simple cubic, shall I, it's multiplied by 1, because total number of atoms present in the simple cubic is 1. So 1 into pi A cube divided by 6. Okay, now clear? So what is the formula to calculate the packing fraction? That is total volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell. What is that value? Pi A cube divided by 6 divided by volume of the unit cell. What we calculated volume of the unit cell? That is A cube, isn't it? Into 100. That is a packing fraction formula. So shall I cancel it? A cube, A cube. So it becomes 100 into pi divided by 6. What is the value of pi? That is 3.14. Shall I substitute here? So 3.14 into 100 divided by 6. That is 314 divided by 6. So what is the value now? 52.38%. Okay, now clear? 52.38%. So see here, only 52.38% of the available volume is occupied by the sphere. Available volume only is occupied by the spheres in simple cubic packing. Okay, making inefficient use of available space, so and hence minimizing the attractive forces. Minimizing the attractive forces. Okay, so available space is occupied by the sphere in a simple cubic is 52.38%. So what is this vacant phase in a simple cubic unit cell? So how to calculate the vacant space? That is 100 minus, yes, how to calculate? 100 minus 52.38 equal to, it is nearer to 47.62. What is the value? 47.62%. Okay, so this is important 1 marks question. The vacant space in SC unit cell is 47.62%. Now clear? Packing efficiency in simple cubic. The next one is packing efficiency in body centered cubic. Yes, already we know that in BCC the spheres are touching along the leading diagonal of the cube, isn't it? So see the diagram of BCC. I think this diagram is easy to draw. Yes, please note down in your book this diagram alone. So see here, this is body centered cubic unit cell. This is represented as A, B, C, D. Okay, so atoms are present at the corners as well as center of the cube, isn't it? That is called body centered. So see here, E, F, G, H corner atoms in center of one atoms. Okay, now clear? So edge length here taken A. In this case of packing efficiency in BCC, yes, using Pythagoras theorem, so there are two triangles how to take. One is triangle ABC. Okay, another one is triangle ACG. One is, what is a triangle? ABC. Another one triangle is ACG. Okay, so see here, the first one is the triangle of ABC. How to write? ABC is equal to, that is AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, isn't it? That is Pythagoras theorem. So here this is AC squared. Shall I write AC is equal to square root of AB squared plus BC squared? Yes. So what is the value of AB here? What is the value of AB is mentioned? That is A. BC also A. So shall I substitute here? So how it is substituted? Listen. So AC is equal to square root of A squared plus A squared, isn't it? So this becomes root of 2A squared. Shall I cancel square root and A squared? That is, it becomes root 2A. So this is a value of AC. So what is the next one triangle? That is, see here, yeah, the triangle of ACG. So how to write? Using Pythagoras theorem, AG squared is equal to AC squared plus CG squared, isn't it? So AG is equal to square root of AC squared plus CG squared. Yes, what we calculated for AC, that is root 2A, isn't it? So whole squared plus CG also what? A squared. So shall I substitute here? So AG is equal to, see here student, that is root 2 into root 2, it becomes 2, isn't it? So this is become A squared. So root 2, 2A squared plus A squared. So this is becomes 3A squared. Shall I cancel it, root and square? So AG is equal to root 3A. AG is equal to what? Root 3A. So what is AG? See the diagram. Yes, see here. What is the value of AG? That is R plus 2R plus R. So shall I write 4R? So how to write? Yes, instead of AG, shall I write 4R? So next step is, that is root 3A is equal to 4R. So what is the value of R now? R is equal to root 3 divided by 4 into A. Okay, now R value we calculated. Shall I substitute in the volume of the sphere with the radius R? So see here. So volume of the sphere with the radius R, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi R cube. Instead of R, what do you want to substitute? That is root 3 divided by 4 into A whole cube, isn't it? So how to calculate it? See here. Yes. So 4 by 3 pi, isn't it? Root 3 3 times you should write. If it is written as a 2 times, it becomes 3. So shall I write 1 root 3, another one is 3. Yes, A cube divided by 4 into 4 into 4. So shall I cancel it? 1 4 1 4, 1 3 1 3, isn't it? So remaining and all what? Root 3 divided by 16 A cube. Okay, calculation is clear. And see here, the number of spheres belong to a unit cell in BCC arrangement is equal to 2. Okay, in SC means 1, but BCC 2. So hence the total volume of all sphere, shall I multiply it by 2? So see here, next step. Yes, the total volume occupied by a sphere in BCC unit cell is equal to 2 into root 3 pi A cube divided by 16. So shall I cancel it? This becomes 8. So root 3 pi A cube divided by 8. So the next step is packing fraction. Packing fraction, what is the formula? Packing fraction is equal to total volume occupied by a sphere in a unit cell. What we calculated now? Root 3 pi a cube divided by 8 divided by volume of the unit cell. This is BCC also one of the cubic unit cell, isn't it? So the same volume here also a cube into 100. Shall I cancel it a cube a cube? So it becomes root 3 pi divided by 8 into 100. Okay, shall I cancel it? 100 divided by 8, it becomes 12.5. So shall I substitute the value of root 3? 1.732 into pi 3.14 into 12.5. So it becomes 68%. Okay, so see here in BCC unit cell, that is 68% of the available volume is occupied. The available space is used more efficiently than in a simple cubic packing. Now clear? So how to calculate the vacant space in BCC unit cell? That is 100 minus 68, isn't it? So the vacant space is equal to 32%. Now clear how to calculate the vacant space in BCC unit cell. Okay, the next one is packing efficiency in FCC unit cell. So this is a diagram of FCC unit cell. Here triangle is A, B and C. So see here radius R, 2R plus R. So it becomes 4R. So how to write the triangle of ABC is equal to, so AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So AC is equal to square root of AB squared plus BC squared. Instead of AB, what do you want to write? A squared. BC also A squared. That is AA. Here squared is given. That's why A squared plus A squared. Shall I write roots 2A squared? Shall I cancel it? So it becomes root 2A. This is a value of AC. Yes, from the diagram, AC is equal to what? That is AC is equal to 4R, isn't it? So shall I write 4R is equal to A root 2. So what is the value of R? That is R is equal to A root 2 divided by 4. So R value is ready. Shall I substitute in the volume of the sphere? So see here the next step is, so volume of the sphere with the radius R is 4 by 3 pi R cube. What is the value of R cube? That is root 2A divided by 4 whole cube, isn't it? So how to write? That is 4 by 3 pi root 2 cube. So shall I write 2 into root 2 A cube divided by 4 into 4 into 4, isn't it? So shall I cancel it 4 4? So it becomes, see here, yes. So how to write? 4 by 3 pi, yes, 2 root 2 A cube divided by, yes, here I have to cancel straight 4 and 4. In your this explanation, see here 4 by 3 pi, this is given, isn't it? 2 root 2 A cube divided by 64. After that only cancel 4 by 64. So that is 4 4 is cancelled. So remaining, so how to write? That is root 2 pi A cube. This 2 also is cancelled, it becomes 2. So this is 8 into 3, 24. So root 2 pi A cube divided by 24. Now clear? Yeah, what is the next one? Total number of sphere belong to a simple FCC unit cell is equal to 4. So the volume of whole sphere in FCC unit cell 4 into root 2 pi a cube divided by 24. Shall I cancel it? It becomes 6. So the value is equal to root 2 pi a cube divided by 6. Okay. So how to calculate the packing fraction or packing efficiency? Packing efficiency, what is the formula? Total volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So root 2 pi a cube divided by 6 divided by a cube. Shall I cancel it a cube a cube? So it becomes root 2 pi divided by 6 into 100. What is the value of root 2? 1.414. Pi value is equal to 3.14 into 100 divided by 6. Okay. So what is the value? 74%. Okay. So available space is 74. What is the vacant space in FCC unit cell? Shall I write 100 minus 74? Isn't it? 100 minus 74 is equal to 26. That is vacant space in FCC unit cell is equal to 26%. Now clear? I hope that all of you understood today's topic. Thank you.